Thanks for checking out your Mr. Quik weather update. Meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here. We have a really nice forecast coming up throughout the rest of this week. Cooler temperatures and less humidity will be the story for Wednesday. We'll have partly cloudy skies, temperatures starting off in the 60s, highs in the lower 80s. But again, less humidity, a nice breeze out of the north should make for a beautiful day. And we are talking about very comfortable weather as we go throughout the rest of the week. That humidity, which was quite high for Monday and our day on our Tuesday, we'll see much less humidity for the rest of the week. So that means it's going to feel a little more comfortable out there. And as we look at the forecast moving forward, we see a lack of rain in this forecast. A lot of dry weather out there throughout the next 7 days. We'll have temperatures coolest on our Wednesday and a Thursday, and then a gradual warm up as we go through the weekend. But again, the humidity will not be too bad even through the weekend. So it's another weekend that is going to be dry, it looks like, for the most part. I put in just a 10% chance on late Sunday afternoon and small chances in the early next week. But we target a cold front perhaps on Tuesday night and a Wednesday, which may bring a better chance for some scattered rain, and that may be followed by a pretty good cool down later next week. But until then, there's not a whole lot of weather other than some great days to get outside and enjoy as we go through the rest of this week, and several nights here that you can kind of open those windows up in your home as well. Thanks for watching this forecast. Have a great day.